Hey, this is David with the Prepper Bookshelf. I got another Gabe Suarez book today, The Combative Perspective. And this is a lot smaller than some of the other books out there, especially as far as paddle and press stuff goes. But it is pretty good. You know, I'm very big into the mindset. You know, anybody can know how to shoot, and the mindset helps you know when to shoot, but also how to survive, right? And so this is kind of the thinking man's guide to say the tactical advantage or some of the other books that we talk about. So you know this book basically talks about Mr. Suarez's four ideals, four basic components, which would be desire for victory, you know, elimination of uncertainty, development of situational awareness, and a willingness to act. Right? You know, all too often, you know, we spend all our time buying the coolest gear, or you know we spend all our time training our bodies to do things but not our mind, and it's pretty uh, well known, I guess, in combative circles that if you've got the skill but not the will, you're not going to win near as often as somebody with the will and not the skill, right? You know, you need to practice, you need to train, you know, but it's not just your body, it's also your mind. And this small little easy to read guide kind of talks about that. You know, talks about victim or victor. Attitude is everything. You know, what is desire made of? You know, elimination of uncertainty. Talks about Cooper, his mental rules, the OODA loop, courage. Uh, you know, the nature of your adversary. A lot of good concepts that you should think about. So anyway, here you go. I would recommend this book. Doesn't cost very much, you know, about 12, 13 bucks or so. But it's called The Combative Perspective: A Thinking Man's Guide to Self-Defense by Gabe Suarez. All right. Until next time, you can always catch us online, www.purplebookshelf.com. Thank you.